getting paid for being a night owl. In this video, we'll explore the top 7 work-from-home jobs that you can start right now, perfect for night owls and those with busy daytime schedules. Whether you're a student, a parent, or simply someone seeking a side hustle, these opportunities cater to various skills and interests. From creative gigs to tech-savvy roles, we've got something for everyone. Stay tuned as we dive into these exciting options that can help you achieve your financial goals without sacrificing your nighttime routine. Number 7, Social Media Manager. As a social media manager, you'll be responsible for crafting engaging content, managing posts, and interacting with followers across various platforms. This role requires creativity and a keen understanding of audience engagement, making it perfect for those who thrive in dynamic environments. While it offers flexibility and the chance to work with diverse brands, it ranks at number 7 due to the competitive nature of the field and the need for constant trend monitoring. Compared to higher-ranked jobs, it may require more time spent on strategy and analytics, which can be demanding for night workers. However, the potential for creativity and brand storytelling makes it a rewarding choice. Number 6, Transcriptionist. As a transcriptionist, your primary task is to convert audio recordings into written text, requiring excellent listening skills and fast typing abilities. This role is ideal for detail-oriented individuals who enjoy working independently and can handle various subjects, from medical to legal transcription. Ranking at number 6, it offers a steady workflow but can be repetitive and may lack the creative engagement found in higher-ranked jobs. Unlike roles that involve direct interaction with clients or audiences, transcriptionists often work in isolation, which can be a drawback for some. However, the flexibility to choose your hours makes it a solid option for night owls seeking consistent income. Number 5, Data Entry Specialist. As a data entry specialist, your role involves inputting, updating, and maintaining data in various systems, making accuracy and speed essential. This position is perfect for those who excel at repetitive tasks and have strong attention to detail. Ranking at number 5, it offers a straightforward workflow and flexible hours, but it can be less stimulating compared to higher-ranked jobs that involve more creativity or strategic thinking. Unlike roles that require extensive communication or collaboration, data entry is often solitary, which may appeal to some but deter others. Nonetheless, the potential for steady work and minimal barriers to entry make it an attractive option for night workers. Number 4, Customer Service Representative. As a customer service representative, you'll engage with customers to address inquiries, resolve issues, and provide support, often via phone, chat, or email. This role is ideal for individuals with strong communication skills and a knack for problem solving. Ranking at number 4, it offers a balance of interaction and flexibility, allowing you to work during nighttime hours. However, it can be emotionally demanding, especially when dealing with frustrated customers, which sets it apart from higher-ranked jobs that may offer more creative or strategic tasks. The opportunity to build rapport and make a difference in customer experiences makes this role rewarding despite its challenges. Number 3, Online Tutor. As an online tutor, you'll have the rewarding opportunity to teach and mentor students in various subjects, from math to languages. This role allows for flexible scheduling, making it perfect for night owls who want to share their knowledge and expertise. Ranking at number 3, it stands out for its interactive nature, fostering meaningful connections with learners. Unlike the more solitary roles below it, tutoring involves direct engagement, which can be both fulfilling and stimulating. However, it requires a solid understanding of the subject matter and effective communication skills. The chance to inspire and impact students' lives elevates this position, making it a top choice for many. Number 2, Virtual Assistant. As a virtual assistant, you'll provide administrative support to businesses or entrepreneurs, handling tasks such as scheduling, email management, and social media coordination. This role is incredibly versatile, allowing you to leverage a wide range of skills while working from the comfort of your home at night. Ranking at number 2, it offers a dynamic work environment with the potential for diverse responsibilities, making each day unique. Unlike the more focused roles below it, virtual assistants often juggle multiple tasks and clients, enhancing their adaptability. The opportunity to develop professional relationships and contribute to various projects makes this position both engaging and rewarding, setting the stage for growth. Number 1, Freelance Writer. As a freelance writer, you have the freedom to create compelling content across various niches, from blogs and articles to marketing copy and social media posts. This role allows for unparalleled flexibility, enabling you to set your own hours and work from anywhere, making it ideal for night owls. Ranking at number 1, it stands out for its creative potential and the ability to express your voice while earning a living. Unlike the more structured roles below it, freelance writing offers the chance to explore diverse topics and collaborate with different clients. The satisfaction of crafting engaging narratives and the potential for high earnings make this position the ultimate choice for those seeking a fulfilling work-from-home job at night. In this video, we explored the top 7 work-from-home jobs you can do at night, starting with social media manager at number 7, followed by transcriptionist, data entry specialist, customer service representative, online tutor, virtual assistant, and finally, freelance writer at number 1. Each role offers unique opportunities and flexibility, catering to various skills and interests. We encourage you to dive deeper into these options and consider which aligns best with your lifestyle and goals. Remember, the world of remote work is vast and full of potential. Take the leap, explore your options, and start your journey toward a fulfilling nighttime career today.